if you are eat like you are there now, you are eating, if you are hungry and you are
Yeah.
eating, listen to me, somebody want to collect the food from you, you must try to resist the person not to take the food away from you. It's compulsory.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
must reduce the person to take the food for you. Now, just like for example, they are talking about DLS, just like Nigeria and Biafra now. Like, Biafra still don't want to be Nigeria and just want to be Biafra due to what? They are eating from Biafra. We're not eating, we're not benefiting for our food. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just something like because Ekpa is blocking the root and the source of income, and they are not happy for the activities of Mazi Samuel Ekpa. They're not happy for him blocking the root and the source of income. You understand me? Because they
Yeah.
know how much they're making, just like you are making 100,000 naira every month. Of what suddenly you started making 50,000 every month, you will not be happy. You understand me?